Hi, in this video we're going through how to install a brand new plugin on your WordPress website. My name's Dan and this is WP Update. Welcome, my name's Dan, I'm a senior software engineer and full stack WordPress developer with WP Update. In this video we're going through the simple steps to install a brand new plugin on WordPress that is available through the WordPress.org plugin repository. So let's start by heading up to the dashboard. So into WP-admin, and that should take you through to the dashboard. Now, if you haven't logged in, that's okay. You'll get redirected to a login screen, or if you don't know how to log in, there's a video linked in the description below. Once you're here, we want to head to the plugins and then add new section. Now, we're concentrating solely on installing plugins that are already on the WordPress plugin repository. If you've had a custom plugin made, you're probably best to have the developer install that for you. Now, in this case, I am familiar with the plugin we're going to be installing. That's the Post Duplicator plugin, and that is used to shortcut creating new content on the website. So up to the top into Search Plugins. I already know what this is called. Hit enter, and then that will do a quick search. Now, when you're looking for new plugins, you can either search in here for what you want, or you can go to WordPress.org, into the plugins, and you can search here, and that will also give you a list of plugins. But because we're in WordPress already, just going to add it here. Now, when checking, we want to make sure that we are using a plugin that has 4 or 5 stars, that is regularly updated, that is compatible with your version of WordPress, and has more than a few hundred at least active installations. The more the better. That generally means it's better supported. So once you've found the plugin that you want to add, click on the Install Now button. This may take a few seconds depending on your server, and then click on the Activate button. You'll get the plugin activated. You may or may not also see a settings screen. In this case, the plugin doesn't have any settings, so we're all good there. And that is done, and we can check that is working. Again, because I know this plugin, I can check this is working by just mousing over here and going, yep, that's working. For the plugin that you install, it may have extra options here, and it may have extra things inside the settings, but that's really your call, and the documentation for the plugin that you add will cover that off. And that is about it. Thank you very much for watching. Check out the videos on the left for some more WordPress tips, or if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell so you get notified every time we post a new WordPress tip. Stay safe, wash your hands, and we'll see you in the next video.